we have y equals to x squared plus 1 over set x. How we're going to solve this question is we're going to divide x squared over with set x and 1 over with set x because there is only one term in the denominator. Then we're going to solve this by using index. So this is x squared minus 1 over 2 plus this is x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Then we're going to have x to the power of 1 over 2, x to the power of 3 over 2, and x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now, let us differentiate these equations. We're going to get dy dx equals to, we're going to use power rules, 3 over 2 x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Let us simplify by factorize the smallest term, which is 1 over 2 and x to the power of negative 3 over 2. And we are left with 3 and x to the power of 2 because once we multiply this both, we're going to plus the power. Negative 3 over 2 plus 2, we're going to get 1 over 2. So the power here is 1 over 2. Minus 1. Let's clean up the functions by writing 3x squared minus 1 over 2 set x